this is how it goes in. The product comes out of the box exactly how it's shown just now. It is as simple as dropping it in, sliding it back, and then starting to torque it down. And when you start to tighten it, the casting has steps again. It will catch the grating. Once it catches the grating, it stops the rotation of the casting, and the rest of the torque goes to actually clamping it down to the underneath side of that flange. Again, one-sided application. You aren't doing anything from the bottom or having to drill into the member, or a lot of cases I see the self-tapping screws that you're trying to go in a 1/4 inch and then you're constantly snapping the heads off of those. It is a very simple application. The beauty of all of these, though, is that now we can actually loosen them up, take it off. So now that every panel we're attaching down becomes also an access panel. So let's say this is a mezzanine application. You've got that $1 million piece of machinery that's down below. You can loosen this up, remove it, have access to getting down there, do the maintenance that you have to do once every 6 months or a year, get out, put it back, and then retighten everything down. So there's a lot of flexibility with these products.